Right, we're joined by a Hallmark creative, Chris Russell, to get Halloween ready with do-it-yourself pumpkin candy bags. Chris, I like candy.
Yes.
I like pumpkins.
Yes.
I like putting candy in pumpkin bags.
Yeah.
So this is a great DIY project to start with on a Monday. What do you say?
It's great, yeah. And with Halloween right around the corner, it's a perfect one to do with your family.
Okay, so it's a great one we can do with our kids. That was my first question. So how do we get started here? What do we need?
Okay, so what you're going to need are your Hallmark tissue paper.
Of course. Very Halloween.
Obviously, you'll need candy.
Are you team candy corn or team like other candy?
I'm other candy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm an outlier.
It's not. It's fine.
I'm not against candy corn. I just prefer other candy.
Okay.
So you'll need candy. You'll need some Hallmark ribbon.
Okay.
You will also need some tape. Hallmark tape. And Saran wrap.
Okay.
And then last but not least, you'll need some googly eyes.
We love googly eyes.
On the finished product. Here's a sneak peek.
I can already tell I'm going to get in trouble with googly eyes and placing them around the studio in places they don't belong.
Okay, so first off, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your tissue paper.
All right.
And we already have it pre-cut, but you're going to want to double it up and put it into a square so that it will hold the candy well.
Yes.
And then you're going to place the candy in the middle of your tissue paper.
Okay.
And here's a little pro tip. Saran wrap.
Okay, that's why we need the saran wrap.
That's why we need that. It helps kind of keep the candy in the middle and kind of contain it so it's pliable and you can make a little ball.
Okay.
So,
well, you go ahead and get your scoop of candy corn here.
I'll fill you up first.
Okay, fair enough.
There we go.
We'll just sample this candy. Is this candy corn edible?
It is edible.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm team candy corn.
Watch out for the hot tamales in there. I don't know if...
Oh, you sneak some hot stuff in there?
I'm just kidding.
Man, it's a little warm
all
of a sudden.
It's getting hot. Okay, so now we're just going to fold over our saran wrap into a ball.
We can do that.
And if you don't like the way yours is turned out, with the magic of television, we have some pre-made ones.
Chris, it seems like you've done this before.
Not this morning.
Hold on, I'm still eating my candy corn. Okay, here we go.
Perfect. Okay, great. So now that we have it all set up, we're going to pull the sides of the tissue paper up.
Both sides?
Both sides. And then grab the other corner as well. Watch out for that googly eyes sneaking on there.
Googly eyes already getting stuck. All right.
And then keep pulling the points up. And we're trying to make lines on the side, just like a pumpkin.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then you're going to pull the top and twist it. So
I'm running out of fingers.
Running out of fingers?
I think we're getting close, though. All right, pull the top and twist it.
Yeah. There you go. So now you have your little fake stem, right?
Okay.
So twist it, and then we're going to cut off the excess at the top. Give us a little clean stem. Yeah, you got to watch your fingers.
Fell on the floor there.
Need help?
Okay, now I'm really watching my fingers. Me? I guess.
There we go.
If not, it's on TV, so we know what happened.
Signed a release form, right? So now we're going to take our tape and come from the top down to kind of mimic the stem. It's a little bit easier to come that way. Here's your tape.
Thank you.
And then we're going to grab another piece and go around the bottom and kind of get it so it looks like a nice stem.
I love it.
There we go.
Now these would be great for, Halloween parties and everything. Oh, here we are.
Yeah, these are perfect for Halloween parties for when kids come by.
Your kiddos.
The door, kind of, set yourself apart from the rest of the neighborhood.
All right.
And then last but not least, we have some Hallmark ribbon
to
add that extra little touch. So this is kind of mimic the vines that are on pumpkins. So you're just going to tie it around.
Oh no! What type of knot do you recommend here? Can I just do a nice square knot?
You can do, not a tie knot, not like a Windsor or anything like that.
Gotcha.
Or you can just pull it snug and.
There we go. And last but not least,
the best part,
googly eyes
the googly eyes. Yeah. So just find a good flat spot in the front.
And if you don't have your googly eyes, I'm sure you could just use a Sharpie too, right?
Yeah, that's true. You can do
there we go, guys. Our Hallmark candy corn. Pumpkins.
Pumpkin treat bags, DIY.
I love it. Chris, thanks for being here today. We appreciate it and for all the great tips here from Hallmark.
Yeah, and we also have a few more things too off the Think, Make, Share blog, just in case you don't want to do something super complicated. Okay. This is really easy. You just print it out.
Perfect.
Add candy.
And that's Think, Make, Share off of Hallmark, right?
Yep, Think, Make, Share.
Make sure you check it out, Think, Make, Share from Hallmark.